What's up, oh you crazy box breaking, car collecting, football fans? This is Scott from liveboxbreaks.com, coming in at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central. Just the one box for you tonight of the 2013 Elite Football. There are the 8 names. Everybody's going to get their own division. We'll randomize the list 5 times. And here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that, paste it against the list we have on our website. And there is the roster for tonight. The Elite's going to be 20 packs, 5 cards per pack, and a total of 4 hits. And good luck, everybody. Here we go. Demarius Thomas, Russell Wilson, Cecil Shorts III, Steven Jackson, and Hakeem Nicks. Julio Jones, Mark Ingram, Connor Vernon, numbered rookie to 899 for the Raiders, going to Ted, Chris Givens, and Aaron Rodgers. Danny Amendola, Ryan Matthews, Jay Cutler, red parallel, super short print, 15 out of 25. Bears going to John B, Kenny Britt, and Mike Wallace. Andy Dalton, Jonathan Dwyer, numbered rookie for the Patriots, Aaron Dobson to 799. Patriots went at Ted, Doug Martin, and Ryan Tannehill. Andre Johnson, RG3, Greg Jennings, CJ Spiller, and Balil Powell. Kelvin Johnson, Rob Gronkowski, green parallel for the Rams, Chris Givens, numbered to 199, going to Danny H, Ben Roethlisberger, and Willis McGahee. D'Angelo Williams, Jeremy Maclin. First hit going to the Browns. Barkevius Mingo, rookie auto, green parallel, numbered to 299. Browns going to Ben, Sidney Rice, and Justin Blackman. Peyton Manning, Vernon Davis, Maurice Jones-Drew, Spacer, Roddy White, Eli Manning, Matt Ryan, Jimmy Graham. Sorry, that was an AJ Green under there. Gold parallel for the Bears, Matt Forte, numbered to 49. 35 out of 49. Bears going to John B. and Sam Bradford. Matt Forte, Antonio Brown. Redskins, John Riggins and Alfred Morris. That one going to Chris B. Mikel LaShure, and Vincent Jackson. Alfred Morris, Tom Brady, and rookie hard hats for the Vikings, Cordarrelle Patterson, numbered to 299, going to John B. Jacoby Jones and Santonio Holmes. Steve Smith, Michael Vick. Very nice for the Packers. Rookie inscriptions, red ink auto, Jonathan Franklin. And Packers going to John B. Congratulations, John. Very cool. Trent Richardson and Antonio Gates. DeMarco Murray, Frank Gore, Vic Ballard, Spacer, Matt Schaub, and Chris Johnson. Patrick Peterson, Drew Brees, Michael Turner's zoning insert, Christian Ponder, and Fred Jackson. Brandon Marshall, Arian Foster, Pierre Garçon, Matt Flynn, Tony Romo. Adrian Peterson, Cam Newton, Darren McFadden. Rookie new breed patch for the Niners, Marcus Lattimore, numbered to 399. Niners going to Danny H. Tamba Ali and Torrey Smith. Jason Witten, Michael Crabtree. Numbered rookie for the Niners, Cornelius Carradine. Going to Danny, numbered at 999. Mark Sanchez and Josh Gordon. Reggie Wayne, Rashard Mendenhall, Wes Welker, Spacer, Philippa Rivers, and Randall Cobb. Yeah, 2 packs to go. Steve Johnson, Denarius Moore, Des Bryant, and another new breed rookie patch for the Cardinals, Stephen Taylor, numbered to 399, going to Danny, Josh Freeman, and Dwayne Bowe. Colin Kaepernick, Andrew Luck. Green parallel rookie for the Raiders, Connor Vernon. The Raiders going to Tad, number to 199. Joe Flacco and David Wilson. And that'll do it for the Tuesday night breaks. We're off tomorrow and then back with a couple of 4 and 3 box breaks for Thursday night. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you on Thursday.